So the Rustica pivot door threshold is super unique because a pivot door by nature has some challenges engineering wise. You've got a cantilever happening with the pivot going offset from the edge of the door and not being affixed to a solid wall. You've got all kinds of forces at play. You've got a lateral force, and there's all kinds of tendencies for these doors to want to move around. And the Rustica pivot door threshold solves all of those problems. It disperses the load throughout the top and bottom plate. And our doors are built in a way that they can sustain all this kind of pressure that is happening and make sure that this door does hold up for you over lifetimes.